In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily mute someone on iMessage's application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and I'm gonna show you all the steps from the beginning. So first off, open up Messages app. Then search for a user or group chat or any conversation you would like to mute, and once you find one, all you have to do is just swipe to the left to show up that option, and that's where we need to tap at that crossed out bell icon. Now the conversation is muted. You can identify that by that grayed out bell icon here. It means that the conversation is currently muted and I won't get any notifications about messages in that conversation. However, if we get any messages in that conversation, let me mark the conversation as unread. So if you got any messages here, you will see that by this number of unread conversations at the app icon. To unmute a conversation, just swipe to the left and then tap at bell icon. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.